Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Atom EI is hiring for voice-over artist meditation American accent. Job location is Gurugram, Haryana and it's a hybrid role. Let us get to know about the job. Job location is Gurgaon, Haryana. Experience is 1+ year required. Compensation is INR 25k to 35k per month. So perks, remote, flexible hours, full autonomy, early stage startup. So let us get to know about the Atom EI first. Meditations at the Atom. We aim to provide people's life by adding a touch of positivity and mindfulness through short daily meditations. Meditators on the Atom platform have completed over 2 million meditation sessions, and meditations lie at the center of the app's experience. If you are someone who has an American accent, has good intonation, enunciation, so intonation means the rise and fall of your voice while you are speaking. That is voice modulation. Cadence meaning the rise and fall of the voice in speaking and also the end of a musical phrase. Enunciation meaning to say or pronounce words or parts of words clearly, to express an idea clearly. So that means if you has good voice modulation and you can speak clearly, has the ability to understand the nuance and the depth of a script, likes to meditate, we would love to connect with you. Here are some role-specific skills: recording meditation voiceovers for Atom, coordinating with the script writing and audio editing team to deliver timely outcomes, providing a natural speaking style that is appropriate for the intended audience, possesses the technical expertise to record quality sound. Now, eligibility criteria is minimum 1 year of recording experience, proper and clear enunciation, consistency with energy, articulation, pitch control and characterization, have an American accent and should be based in Gurgaon or Delhi NCR. So how to apply and selection procedure? Send in your CV with some voice samples at talent@theatom.app. A test assignment may be required depending on your prior experience and profile. Our not so common interview process. At Atom, we do this a bit differently. After a screening round, we like to work together for a duration of a week. Think of this as a consulting role. This way, we can get to know each other and our working styles. Making sure that your goals aligns with others is absolutely essential. This trial helps both sides understand how this opportunity fits within our individual and collective goals. So what's Atom all about? Our mission is to build technology products that create positive change in the world. We believe that technology should enable us to fulfill our own unique paths instead of being a constant source of distraction and mindful consumption. We support the beginning of the human tech revolution where products are built mindfully, and social capitalism is the only form of sustainable development in the world. But what is it really? Atom helps others become their best selves. We do this by making healthy habits easier to build through behavior design games and AI. Building habits is hard and requires consistency. It's difficult to stay motivated and the numbers reflect that. How far we have come. 2 million plus meditations, 800k plus organic downloads and with $0 marketing spent. 4.93 plus star rated on Play Store. Featured by Google Play Store as a hidden gem. You can find a link to our product here. So if you are interested in this job role and eligible to apply, you can apply by clicking on this easy apply button, and you have to fill the application and submit this application. You can also share your resume CV with your voice samples at this email ID, talent@theatom.app. After that, you will receive the email from them. After the selection, there will be 1 week of trial period of you and the company together to understand each other. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को like कीजिए, share it with your friends, and for more latest job updates, channel को subscribe कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.